Guys, I'm so excited. Look! I have a problem. I know. Anything Urban Decay. I have a problem. But, hold on. Let me prop you. Let's open this to get, oh, well, you can't really see if that's in the way. Oh. There are things in the way that is not helping. Whatever, we're going to open it like this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's like pretty big. Oh. Okay, I'm not strange, weird, off, nor crazy. My reality is just different from yours. That's what it says. And then it says, we're all mad here. The mirror, that's what it says. So pretty. Oh my god. And then it has the butterfly. Oh, that I'm like gonna crush. It's so pretty. Do you see that? That's awesome. Okay, and then of course, what we all came for. And it came with a brush. Hallelujah. Oh my god, low battery. Hold on, dismiss this ish. It's got its own brush, which is incredible. Oh my god, I have to teach Zumba tonight. I'm totally gonna use these colors. Oh my god. Heads will roll is so pretty. Reflection is pretty. Oh my god. And then it comes with this brush. It's so pretty. This is everything I was hoping it would be. Oh my god, now it's, wait, okay, so then on here it says, I know who I was when I got up this morning, but I must have changed several times since then. It says, oh, of course this is Urban Decay. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. Just so you guys can see. Like, look how pretty these freaking colors are. Oh my god. This one right here, this Selzen Grum, this looks like, is it Gash? Yeah, I think it looks like Gash, which is a color that, oh my god, they're so buttery. Can you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. It's so pretty. And then of course, I can't do this one-handed really. Hold on. So this was the inside. And then these little flaps come up. And there's a butterfly. It's just beautiful. The whole like package is just gorgeous. And you see like the clocks. I know you can see me. Hello. But like the clocks, because it has to do with time. This one.
Very good point.
Don, say hello.
I'll tell you what, she has some very good points over there.
I have a lot of good points. That's why I keep Carolyn around.
You're not afraid to share your mind.
Okay, block me out.
What? My big head's in the way.
Speak your mind.
Literally, Girls Who Can't Sing. That's going to be our podcast. Girls Who Can't Sing. Girls Who Can't Sing. Coming to you soon. No, Girls Who Shouldn't Sing? Girls Who Shouldn't Sing. Girls Who Shouldn't Sing. Girls Who can sing loudly, off key. And with no way in the back of Oh my god! Wait. Okay, we're throwing back. Look at Carolyn's having a
Margaritas.
Oh my god!
We're like really cute.
You would think I'm shit-faced right now.
Hey, wait, Chelsea, do you know who took that picture?
Chelsea, who's that's the wall? That's the wall, Bert. That's the wall.
Wait, did you really?
Yeah, you actually know, John, I've met you before, like, before that other night.
Memories.
Same thing.
Memories.
I was the kid in the green morph suit.
No shit.
Oh yeah, it's from Cats.
No shit. Yeah.
You don't think I don't know about Cats?
That's awesome.
If you didn't know about Cats, that would have been really easy. Oh, I found it.
What'd you find? Oh, the video.
Two Coronas.
Look at this.
No, they went out and got like 2
Susie and I are twinning. Nick has no food. Twinning. We're twinning.
Holy shit, dude! You asked for half the meal.
That's what I'm saying.
God damn! I think they put it all in a small.
Don't get any of those freaking shrimpies on me, Carolyn.
I'm just gonna lick your face.
No, okay.
Oh, that's going on vlog.
Susie's gonna cry because Don made it
All right,
very.
Moo, no more fisting for you.
Susie's legit crying.
God.
Susie, he's joking.
It's a kid.
It's a kid.
Literally a kid.
We don't cook cats.
Susie.
I'm Chinese. We don't cook cats. We cook chicken's feet. We chop their feet off and then deep fry those.
That doesn't make
It's
it
gotta be
better.
crunchy as fuck.
Frog
Ew,
legs,
do
huh?
not talk about crunchy bird feet. That's disgusting.
What about frog
It's
legs?
amazing because
I've had
like my
those. Those are
grandma,
good.
my
Those are
grandma
good.
will literally bring
There's not
them
much
the
to 'em,
table
but they're
with
fucking
their
good. They're
toenails
tasty.
fucking
They brought. We had like an English class our senior year. They made them for us. It was like I'm not gonna tell you what
One
it
time
is.
I ate a snail.
Everybody ate it.
Yep.
Everybody liked it. Like,
Fucking frog
One
legs.
time.
It tasted like a snail.
In culinary school, we did international food night, and it was French food. So we had pate, we had escargot, we had
I'll tell you what. Go to
Pate
Asia.
is disgusting.
It was actually really amazing.
Go to the Permian. I went down
have
to
a
the
guinea
Caribbean
pig?
Islands. Same thing. They have dogs.
Hey guys, what's up? It is a Friday. It feels like a Saturday to me though. It's very weird right now for me to have Friday off. Which is why I feel like it's Saturday. But anyways, so I went to Wegmans just now. You probably can't see it, but I bought a hanging plant because it is now the time to buy hanging plants. Even though my gardening right now, I am totally behind. I have nothing ready, and I think you can start planning next week. I think they say the week after Mother's Day or the weekend of Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is this weekend. So, yeah. I am going to go over to, I think I'm going to go to Partica's and get some Miracle Grow. I know the one year I was like, I used Miracle Grow and I had enough cucumbers to just feed the whole world. But I didn't use the Miracle Grow last year, and my plants weren't as successful. So I feel like I'd rather have like a bunch of vegetables and I can give them away to friends, or I can like the cucumbers, I can pickle them and give them away as gifts to my friends. So I have a ton of options. And then I really want like my like basil and rosemary and mint to really kick off, because mint, hello, you can make mojitos, and mojitos are delightful drink. So that's the plan. Then tonight we're going to the nursing home. It is my grandma's birthday. So we're going to the nursing home and having some pizza. And then, I don't know. Who knows what other types of malarkey and trouble we can get into down night tonight. Tomorrow is the Lilac Festival. We're going to that. Definitely going with Susie and Carolyn, but Don wants to go. He just has to work a half a day, so I'm not sure if he's going to be able to go. Like, not 110. Whoa, that guy just did a crazy move. All right, buddy. All right. So, yeah, definitely going to the Lilac Festival tomorrow. Just not sure who is going with. I am back home and I am about to make a cake that I wanted to make. I found it on, well, I found the picture on Instagram and then I just kept following the links and I finally found the link. But it's a really good looking, I'm going to pull it up. It's from Brew Crew Life. Look at this thing. I'm gonna make this. It's a no-bake cherry Swiss roll cake. And it looks really easy. You just need the Little Debbie Swiss rolls, which I got. 8-ounce package of cream cheese, powdered sugar, cherry pie filling, and a container of Cool Whip. Like, that's it. That's all you need. So I have my Swiss rolls, have my cherry stuff, my Cool Whip, my cream cheese. I thought I needed 2, but I only need 1, so I'm going to put this one away. And I'm going to make it. And I have my spring form pan. I gotta clean it though. I gotta clean my pan. Oh, that count. So yeah, so I'm gonna make this, and then yeah, I'm not gonna do like the whole, like, I'll show you guys the finished product when it's done, because I'm kind of on a time restraint right now. I need to like get it done and over with. So when it's done, I will show y'all what it looks like.
Condos like homes get shot again?
Yeah.
But you missed the other part, Ken, when we were in the thing trying on the Pepsi.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these kids on their phones.
Pants drop.
Graham's trying to open a Christmas birthday
That
present
would've been
and
priceless.
whatever. These ones are on their phones.
You never heard about that, did you? We're getting the tuxes for Lindsay's wedding. So the lady says to me, with your pants on, put your arms up in the air. I put my arms up in the air. We're in a mall. My pants fall right to my ankles. Then I almost got shot going into the wrong condo.
That's true.
That is real
You
true.
all look exactly the same.
Both stories are true.
Yeah. Oh, it's a marijuana plant.
Thanks, Don.
Glaucoma, you never know. Find the right place for that.
Open it up and it's in there.
You probably grow it in the basement.
I got these for your windows. There's another one too.
Oh, owls.
Oh.
Yep, it's a little one.
Cool.
I tried to find something that if it fell and broke, you weren't gonna get cut on it. I looked at a lot of things, but this is what filled the bill.
They're cute, Graham.
Put them on the windowsill in your room?
That's cool. Look at
Who dat? Who dat?
that.
Who that be?
Big box.
I tried to find, you know that bird she has with the,
This is from me and Amanda.
I know it is. Yeah.
I know why I'm laughing.
Yeah.
I got new limousines for the feet.
Did you?
Yeah, David and I went the other one.
Well, she got David's card out good.
Upgrade since the accident? That was the last time you bought a pair, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the last time I bought a pair of shoes.
And Dr. Scholl's or whatever they were.
I do, I know.
That's her card, not yours.
Oh. I thought he was talking to me. I hear that so often.
He means the raspberries.
Frank, gonna have some more pizza?
I'm gone now. I'm gone.
She's gonna be on
That's
the phone.
freaking awesome. What? Do you take the other side down so that we can see the kid? Or is that not possible?
No, here we go. We'll get it to play at the same time.
Birthday
Day
to you.
No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Graham. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
None of your business.
How old are you,
25.
Graham? I don't think there's any dirt older than you.
That would be. Do you want to slap him, Graham?
No, you do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
you do it for him.
Perfect.
Do you want to take your pizza home? I'm just gonna take upstairs.
You see, there's the baby, Graham.
Huh?
The baby.
Oh, you're cute.
The she.
Oh, it's a she.
That's Kinsley.
You're cute. You can't say so.
See?
Barely made it.